I've been a mentor with Hamstech for many years now, and I believe it is a duty to impart whatever knowledge, learnings I have, because you are actually ensuring that the next pedigree of designers or the next generation of designers can actually imbibe what you've learned out of your experiences. And that is one reason that keeps me ticking and keeps me wanting to do more in terms of mentoring the students at Hamstech. The whole idea of giving birth to interior was to actually have a student go through the entire journey of being able to design, conceptualize, work with materials, work with karigars, work with contractors, to get hands-on experience, to make mistakes, to learn. It's a platform that Hamstech has created for the students, and it is a platform by the students, which is a beautiful journey of creating and then showcasing. And that's what interior is all about, to be able to actually see the work of the students at Hamstech.